Hello friends, hope all of you are doing good. Today let's try and make filter coffee. This is for my friend Kripa. She requested this video. This is for you, Kripa. So I take 2 or 3 teaspoons of filter coffee in the top of my filter, and I pour in warm water, not hot, warm water, up to the brim. It's up to you if you want to do up to the brim or half of it, depending upon the consistency of the decoction. I use Kothas. These days, Kumbakonam filter coffee is available on Amazon. I'll put a link and you can order from them. You have to get thick milk. We get A1 and A2 milk from a farm here. I will post information about that, and you have to boil the milk. No shortcuts here. I use only a little bit of sugar, so I put like a teaspoon of it, and the decoction with the sugar. So you need to dissolve the decoction in the sugar. That's the tip. So once it dissolves, it enhances the flavor. So my mother-in-law is the one who taught me how to make filter coffee. Me, my father-in-law, and my mother-in-law, we all gang up and make filter coffee together, and those were the times. So you add milk, and then you froth it nicely by, transferring it to the dabra. Unless there's no froth, it's not filter coffee. At least to me. Enjoy, guys. Bye.